Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to add different type of color animation effect in your any video clip. So this is our sample video clip. Alright, it looks like very natural to add different type of animated color effect in this video clip. Simply at first go to animation and then select animation tab and click custom and drag and drop it in your video track. Now I just simply scratch it like this to make this little bit longer, and then I just simply go to visual effects and select colorize because I want to add color of this overall video clip. Now I simply drag and drop it right here and set color green and minimize this value a little bit more. Alright, now I set my timeline indicator right here, and from this colorize section of this color drop down menu, set color red. And now I set this timeline indicator right here and set color in blue. And finally I set color in this purple. Alright, and yes, we are done. Let's play this clip.
Right now, for only $5 including free shipping, the Dollar Shave Club has a special offer for all of you guys, so you can try out their amazing service for basically nothing. I mean, $5, that's what you spend at Starbucks. And Starbucks isn't gonna make you look as good as this will. So for only $5, you get to sample their Charlie wipes, a bottle of their cleanser.
Awesome, right? It is just changing color over and over again after a certain period of time. And you can easily do this using this custom animation and colorize effect. Thank you so much for watching.